Hi everybody, this is Dan, and this is a special shout-out video to one of my favorite YouTube channels, if not the favorite YouTube channel of mine, Rich Alvarez. Now, for those who don't know what the channel is, they do a lot of like video game related videos. They also do some other types of videos too. Like for example, they do a series called YouTube News, which is awesome, which I also love. And they're like most famous, their most well-known series is Stupid Mario Brothers, which was a Nintendo fan series. Anyway, I just gotta say, I have no idea if if you guys will see the video, but, Richie, man, Chris, if you guys are watching this, just so you know, I'm a huge fan. You guys are awesome. Keep doing what you're doing. I love what you do. And, yeah, just keep doing what you're doing. I love it. You guys are awesome. And, yeah, and I gotta say, you guys definitely deserve a lot more subscribers than you have now. I mean, honestly, you should be in the top subscribed channel. You should be in the top subscribed channels on YouTube. You're that awesome. Anyway, that's just my shout out video. You guys are awesome. Check out their channel. I'll put the link in the description below. And I'll end with this.
Please subscribe
To Rich Alvarez.
It's free and easy. Just click the yellow button. And remember, every time you're subscribed to Rich Alvarez, you get a free hot tub. Hooray! Bloopers.
Channels, if not my favorite. Hi everybody, this is Dan.
Glove. Beatles. Pepsi Max.
I just say, you guys definitely need a lot more subscribers than you do, because you're like have
Tales from the Crypt. Caution, this is the party zone.